Hi everyone, good day. I'm Cedric von Alesna from the Department of Letters and Humanities. Thank you for participating in our course orientation and overview. Our first lesson introduces you to an overview of philosophy. Philosophy is a discipline that has existed in the world for a long time, but we rarely hear it from our classes in the past, and for some of us, it is the first time we encounter such subject. So what is philosophy? Philosophy can simply be defined in three ways. First, the etymological definition. Second, Aristotle's definition. And third, how Jaspers defines philosophy. The etymological definition of philosophy is taken from two Greek words, philo, which means love, and Sophia, which means wisdom. And when both words are combined, we create what Pythagoras calls love's wisdom or lover of wisdom. Aristotle, on the other hand, tries to provide us a real definition. For Aristotle, philosophy is a science which inquires into the ultimate causes, principles, and reasons of all things in the light of human reason alone. Aristotle wants to highlight three things. First, philosophy is a science simply because it is a systematic body of knowledge. Second, as a science, it studies the causes, reasons, and principles of all things in the world. Lastly, the toolkit philosophy uses is not lab experiments, but rather human reason alone. The third definition, Jaspers' definition, states that philosophy is a discipline in which questions are more important than answers, and in which answers are bound to generate further questions. Jaspers believed that in philosophy, there is a premium towards questioning, that with the right questions, it could lead us beyond to what we have and reach into better horizons and answers. Now to my final point. Philosophy is not your usual field of study. Success is not about you know a bunch of stuff. Instead, it is a discipline that values our love towards learning, our curiosity about all things, ability to think and argue for ourselves, and our willingness to question. With all of this, the next question we are going to ask ourselves is, how do we philosophize? And that is where we are heading the next time we see each other. For now, we have learned about the different definitions of philosophy, the etymological definition, the Aristotelic definition, and Jaspers' definition. I hope you learned something from this lecture discussion video. For enrichment, feel free to study the handouts via the LMS. Likewise, please be reminded of the due dates of your activity worksheets, available and accessible via LMS or at your nearest learning kiosk. Enjoy learning and keep safe.